Oh, yade nana ade na no yahagi balka do dalka dan singi do kanda jahagi yade. Aro nebza yada halian the language keepers and keep it nilsko. So the language is also the culture, the history, the government, all wrapped in one. We just emphasize one or the other. Today, or this lesson, or Navajo, one emphasizes the language piece. Okay, so the first part, I think the last time we met together, somebody said, hey, Mr. Long, we would like the lesson on the Hajine or the emergent story. Okay, the emergent story. So that's what I did is Hajine idea. So let's see, what did I just do? Okay, so in this white area is what we're going to learn today, but in the class itself, we're going to expand upon because there's a lot more than just a few words here. Okay, so the story will be in our class. This is just what we're going to cover as far as language piece in the little time that we have. Okay, today the first part is this first sentence called Ne Asni Ne Asni Ne Yane Ne Asni Ne Yane Ne Hoteshiste Ne Hoteshiste Altse Hastin Do Altse Hastan Do Mai Do Chush Sha'ayilla Sha'ayilla. Okay, so on. So let's just take that first part. We can probably ask many questions on that. So Heish is, let's go down to right down below Heish who. Heish ne hodeshiste. Alse hastin do alse zan do mai do josh la. And the answer is ne alni ne yane. Ne hodeshiste alse hastin do alse zan do mai do josh la. And another question maker, hade na yet now nish ni ne yane alse hastin do alse zan do mai do josh la hade. Okay. Nish ni ne yane ne hodeshiste alse hastin do alse zan do mai do josh la. Hot E is another word. Hot E is what? Yeah. Ne'esni ne'yana hot ne'hodeshiste. Hot E sha'ayila. Ne'esni ne'yana ne'hodeshiste. Alse hastin do alse astan do mai do josh sha'ayila. Okay, let's go to the blue part here. Dole do city yago dadot ejigi ne hodot ejde ba ilte. Notice over here on the tool side, the blue side, ba ilte, they came to it, and ayala, he or she made it. So here she made it. So in this case, we're not totally sure. It could be male, it could be female, but either way, we can say ayala with ayala. Okay, so that made these askin or it's askin first man. So all the nouns are right here. Nayana means at the center that was raised. Okay, so it's a name of a person, a creator. Okay, let's go to back. Dole Dot City, which is right here. Dole Dot City, bluebird. Okay, Dole Dot City, Yagodot Ijiki and Yagodot, and this is a color. Okay, blue. Should have been blue. The word blue right here. Yagodot Ijiki, Nehodot Ijde Ba'ilte. So Ba'ilte means they came to it, they came upon it. Okay, so let's ask a question. Heish, let's take who. Heish nehodot ijde fa'il de, and we can say Doli dot city Yagoda dot lijigi, the ones that are blue. Yagoda dot lijigi ne o dot ijde fa'il de. Okay, so ask another question. Hade. We can say Doli dot city Yagoda dot lijigi hade fa'il de. And our answer would be Doli dot city Yagoda dot lijigi ne o dot ijde fa'il de. Okay, and next one is anasaze. Okay, anasaze, what is that right there? Anasaze. Okay, anasaze ne halsuide fa'il de. People came to the anasaze. Okay, anasaze. All right. Heish ne halsuide fa'il de. The answer is anasaze ne halsuide fa'il de. And then hade, hade, anasaze or nasaze hade fa'il de. Anasaze nehotsute fa'il de. That'll be the answer. The last one, the blue one, it says ne halikrete wa nesh ch'idi ha'aj er. Over here, ha'aj er. He led or she led. Okay, we don't show what type of winesh ch'idi it was. But winesh ch'idi is a cicada. All right, so ne halikrete. What's ne halikrete? Right down here, white world. Okay, so there's 4 worlds, flat, and now you're sharing your screen. Okay, okay, stop sharing. Oh no, we don't want to stop sharing. Anyway, here's that. Okay, so nahalikadawaneshdi ha aj is. All right, we can say heish nahalikada heish ha aj is. The answer is nehalikada waneshdi haj is. Waneshdi or hade waneshdi haj is. Nehalikada waneshdi haj is. And one of these, maybe we'll try one in class. Maybe we'll say hatibaniya or hatishbanina. Okay, that would probably be the better one. Hatishbanina. There's something that happened and it caused something to happen. Okay, that might one of these questions we can answer that. All right, that's what we're going to practice in class, and of course the details of each of these worlds will be explained also. Koshi, we'll see you in class. Hakone.